My name is Fernanda. I am from Argentina. I am a person who has studied tourism, hospitality. I have very good language skills, and I am passionate for sports, especially football, which I love it. When I got to know about this opportunity, I really couldn't get it go, and I am really interested in being part of this experience because I am interested in the idea of sharing cultures, my own culture with others, and learn from other cultures, and on the other side, to be there in this global event, because I think it's you live only once, and I think that I must be there at least once in my life. So, that's the reason why I think that I would be the best resource that you could get, because I can combine my passion for sports, my knowledge, and my language skills. I hope that you can take into account my application. See you.